here in Briars Museum, Car Museum here in Madisonville, Texas. Pretty cool place. Got a cool looking purple car there. Got the Stubby machine, mixture machine. Got the Dukes of Hazzard car. Look inside the car. Nineteen 1969 General Lee Charger with a 440 over 30. Just say this sucker will move. Got the Stubby machine beside it. The mystery machine. Move back and we can get a better look at the mystery machine. Got some cool cars. Got an old cop car. Look inside the cop car. Got a little car I can carry back home from a little buddy named Wayne. Cool looking old car. This is the car right here. Some kind of Porsche, I think. I don't know if it's Porsche or what. I wish I had the lottery, I'd buy that car. Sweet. You got a old green tow truck. Mac AC 1915 Bulldog. Cool looking seat. Fire truck coming up. Old truck. Look back at the fire truck seat. Look at this little car. Just got cars and trucks, whole warehouse full of them. Got a little truck with green wheels on it, pretty sharp. Black car. Got the buggy here. I like the buggy. Dune buggy. Number 65. I like to have this. Got a little purple Trans Am. Purple and white truck, that's pretty sharp. 1902 Studebaker. Fruit and produce. Green van. Like an orange fire truck. Premier Shuttles. Cool looking car. '57 Chevrolet Bray. Cool looking green car. '94 Buick Super Sedan. Cool camper. '57 Airstream. Truck with a camper on it. '69 Ford 250 camper. Look inside the truck. Look downside the camper. We go to the back and look inside. Cool truck right there. Looking inside the truck camper. 1953 tractor, Ford tractor. Highway patrol car up here. Cost done picked up Clayton and Jason. State Police, Detroit Division. '64 Dodge. Nice looking car with white tires. 1954 Rolls Royce. Got another tractor. But let's look at this car first. Little bug type 1957 Volkswagen Beagle. Nice looking pickup truck. 1957 Chevrolet 3100. Now let's look at this tractor. McCormick 1950 in an Harvard. Green machine. Best cleaners. Elwood in and out. '57 Chevrolet panel truck. '2001 Chevrolet NASCAR truck. Cool looking old car. '15 Buick. Old looking car. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Got a boat here beside it. Another old looking car. '29 Ford Model A. Man, look at the cars here. Street bike look car. 2023 Corvette C07.